Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Long Beach, California because we're checking out this Airbnb with a mini ramp. And it is something that Corey Keene put together, invited us out to come check it out. So we're going to show you an entire tour of this Airbnb. Let's get it. So before we actually go into the Airbnb, one of my favorite things about this spot is you have parking off street. If you know anything about Long Beach, one of the hardest things is just finding somewhere to park. So here at this Airbnb, you've got it right here, a place for you to park. And you can even close up the gate afterwards. When you step inside of this one bedroom, one bath guest house, you'll walk directly into the living room and the kitchen. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you'll recognize is this massive, comfortable couch, a coffee table, a TV, and an AC unit to keep you cool out here in Long Beach, California. Below the TV, you'll see they even provide a custom Keen ramps quarter pipe for fingerboarders. So if you brought your fingerboard, you're in luck. This ramp is super fun. Below the TV, you're also going to see a bunch of really rad vintage cameras, as well as a book about the history of Dogtown and the Z-Boys. In the kitchen, they have a nice long bar that seats you and multiple of your guests. It's a great space for you to be able to entertain, to hang out, or just to relax from all of your travels. There is a super nice stainless steel oven, as well as numerous pots and pans so that you have everything you need to cook here at the Airbnb. There's a really rad coffee cart that also has complimentary tea and coffee. The best part about this coffee cart, though, is that you get to drink your coffee out of a custom Keen Ramps coffee mug. You can enjoy your morning cup of coffee in a Keen Ramps mug while sitting on a Keen Ramps mini ramp. Also, they have a large stainless steel sink, a standard size fridge, a microwave, and all of the cooking utensils and plates that you need so that you can eat up your leftovers from the delicious food here in Long Beach. Behind this door is the washer and dryer. That way you don't have to pack as many clothes, or you can clean those dirty clothes from the skate session that you just had on the mini ramp. If for some reason you forgot to bring your skateboard with you, this Airbnb provides multiple other complete skateboards so that you can skate the mini ramp as soon as you walk through the front door. Another really cool thing this Airbnb provides is grip gum, wax, and a skate tool. If you forgot them, this Airbnb has them. All of this skate equipment lives on this Keen Ramps custom board rack. They actually call it the Keen Rack, and they sell it on their website. I'm going to have that link down in the description below. Check out everything Keen Ramps offers there. When you walk into the Airbnb, you're going to see the living room, the kitchen, but you're also going to see these two arcade games. This first one is Extreme Hunting, a classic, but then also behind me they have a pinball game. This one is called Cyclone. And to keep all of this kind of in the skate theme for the Airbnb, you'll see there are a bunch of blank shaped boards on the wall. And if you check these shapes out, they're actually rad. I'd probably ride one of these shapes. We're going to check out the one bedroom that's here in the Airbnb. What I love about this bedroom is it's simple, it's minimal, it's clean. There's a queen size bed in here that is super comfortable. They have a little seating area with this really cool chair that you can just sit in the morning and read a book. They also provide a few books that you can read while you sit here. There are two large mirror closet doors that have enough space for all of your belongings behind them. It is a massive closet, and it's going to fit everything that you travel with. They also provide a little fan if you need some white noise or just some extra air movement while you sleep. One of the coolest things in this room are these two boards that were made into snakes as artwork. This bedroom offers everything you need to get a restful night of sleep so that you can get up and skate the entire next day. Lastly is your bathroom. It is a standard full-size bath. The shower is a good size, and they even provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That way you don't have to worry about packing it. But the most appealing part of this place to me is the large patio space with a mini ramp that sits right here in the backyard. The patio has a shaded seating area with a fan that seats 6 to 7 people. You have a stainless steel grill outside if you want to barbecue, and there is a large cooler to store all of your drinks. The sun sails give you a little more shade before you get to the mini ramp. There's brand new turf before you reach the mini ramp and some greenery to really help add that Long Beach vibe. The mini ramp seems to be 2.5 feet tall with a spine ramp that has a parking block as coping, and the other side of the ramp has some diamond grind coping. The most unique feature of this ramp, though, is it was painted by professional skateboarder Sibo Walker. I had an incredible time skating this mini ramp while I stayed here, and I actually have more videos coming out later, but until they come out, I wanted to share with you some of my favorite tricks that I got while I stayed here at this Airbnb.
While we loved our stay at the Airbnb, we also appreciated all the things that were available to do within walking distance or just a short drive away. For dinner, we highly recommend Lola's. It's a local Mexican cuisine that has some really great street corn, indoor-outdoor seating, and a really fun just overall vibe. For breakfast or brunch, we decided to try out Salud, which is a cold-pressed juice bar. It's a short walk from the Airbnb. They specialize in healthy juice cleanses, and they also have a ton of vegan and gluten-free breakfast options on their menu. We highly recommend the banana berry toasts, any of their acai bowls, and their vegan chocolate donuts. And of course, their juices. We enjoyed this spot so much we actually returned every single morning. Not only is it an incredible place to eat breakfast, but it's also owned by Angela Keene, which is Corey's wife.
Other spots to check out are Long Beach Skate Co., a local skate shop that is a short drive away. We visited, and I actually bought a really rad Long Beach Girls Skateboards t-shirt. Another skate shop to visit is Pharmacy Skate Shop in Long Beach. It's an iconic spot, a short drive away, and it is owned by professional skateboarder Boo Johnson. And lastly, you have to at least drive by to check out the iconic Cherry Skate Park. Rumor has it, if you roll up around 3 to 6 p.m., you will run into some of your favorite pro skaters that live in Long Beach. So if you're looking for a really rad place to stay for your next skatecation or just the next time you travel, I would highly recommend checking out this Airbnb in Long Beach. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You can book from there. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos just like this, Airbnbs with mini ramps of skate parks, check out these videos right here.